Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change region in Instagram. It's pretty simple and easy. Open up Instagram app. Now we should change account type of your Instagram account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Open up menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then proceed to settings. Tap on account. Scroll down, in very bottom you will see switch to professional account. We should change our account type in Instagram to business account. Okay, we just tap on continue, add any categories, then tap on done. And here we should change to business account. As you can see here, select business account, tap on next, and here you can add a business address. Just tap on address, then tap on street address, city, town. You should here add your location, for example California or New York, for example New York, and then tap on done. Okay, tap on next and just skip it, and that's it. We change our region. Also you can change this region on your profile. Tap on edit profile, scroll down, and here you will see contact options. Just select it, and here you can see your business address. Just tap on it and change it if you need it. Just add a new city or town. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.